Hello guys, welcome back to my video. In the last video we have talked about how to use variables to do the program. In this task I'm gonna just give you the answer for the 5.3 which I have left it in the comment of the first video. So if you haven't seen it, I will recommend please go back and see that so you can understand what's going on. And if you want a Ceebot copy of the application, it's in the same link, so you can go back to the first video and get the link. It's in the description. And so let's get started with the answer, which was 5.3. Okay, so first of all let's press F1 and see what we have to do. So in this program we have to use the variables and do some maths, and finally we have to display the result using the message command, which is the new command, which as you can see how it has been written. So let's go and do it so we can know how it's done more better. So first we are going to use some variables, float A, float B and float C. Okay, I have created three variables which will be A, B and C. So first will be A and B, which will have the data, and the C will be for our final data, final answer, kind of. So at the moment it's all the empty boxes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna in the description I told you, like first we have to store number 2 in variable A. So let's do that. So we're gonna say A is equal to 2, and we said B will be 8. Okay, so what we're gonna do is now we're gonna subtract 2 from the B. So B is, we know the B is 8. Here it was empty boxes that time, but after we wrote this B is equal to 8, the 8 is the value for B now. So it has been stored in B. So what we're gonna do is now we're gonna do the subtraction. So we're gonna say B is equal to B minus 2. So what will happen now is 2 will be getting subtracted by 8, and it will be so the answer will be 6, and it will be rewritten in B. So this time the B will be not 8, it will be 6. Okay, so let's go for the next step. After we got the B, which was 6, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the multiplication. So multiplication will be like this. So we're gonna bring back the C. So as we said, we're gonna store the final answer in C. So we're gonna do is C is equal to A multiplied by B. So we're gonna multiply A with B. So that will be 2 multiplied by 6, the answer we got from this one. So that will be 2 multiplied by 6. So once we got the answer, it will be stored in C, which will be here. Okay, the next step will be we have to display the result, so user knows what was the actual answer, they can see visually. So we're gonna use the message command. So it will be message. Okay, so in this we can say the answer is plus C. That's it. So yeah, what's happening, we said message, the answer is, there is a space here, so there will be a little space between the text and the answer itself. So the text will be displayed on the screen right here. So what's happening is we use the plus sign to use the concatenation method, and we have used the C to call back the answer from the variable C, so which was 12. Let's see if it works. So we did the compile, and there was zero errors, as you can see, and we can press OK. And to run the program now, after writing the code, all we have to do is press this arrow, so which will execute the program. So let's do that. As you can see, the answer is 12. Well done, mission accomplished. So we have completed the task. That's all for this video. Please, if you want to learn more, in the next video I'm gonna do is tell you how to do uh, the 6.3. So which in that what we are going to do is use a keyboard input method. So for example, the user will enter the value or the number from the keyboard, and it will be stored in the variable, and we're going to play with that. So we're going to convert it into numbers. So it will be a string, we're going to convert it to numbers, then we're going to use it to move a robot or some sort. Okay, so please do subscribe, like, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.